Hello guys, today we're going to be installing Python and this is our first episode of programming with Python. So my name is Perrin and we're going to be installing Python. The first thing you want to do is navigate into this and click Downloads here and click this button. So this button should download an installer for Python. If you're on Windows, it would say Windows, but I'm on Mac, so it says Mac. I've already downloaded this file, so we'll just go over and click install right here. So we double click the file and this is going to show up. You want to click continue, agree, and install. Type in your password here. On Windows, before you click install, you want to click add to path. That is very important. Do not miss that. We're going to wait just a bit now for it to finish installing. Looks like it has finished installing. Now we're going to be moving on to the second part, which is installing our preferred editor. In this case, it's going to be VS Code. So download, just click here. Then you're going to get this zip file for Mac. Now on Windows, it's going to be an installer similar to the Python installer. So just go through that. But on Mac, just double click this. It's going to unzip the file, so hang tight. And you want to move this into the applications. So let me replace the VS Code that I have. All right. Now you're going to navigate into Launchpad or Start menu if you're on Windows. Now click VS Code or just launch VS Code up. If you see this, just click Open. All right. So the first thing you're probably going to see is probably not going to be this. It's going to be, hold on, it's probably going to be something like this. Now what you want to do is you want to come over here to the left side to extensions. Now you want to search Python. So click on the first one with the star. So click there. And then there should be a button right here that says install. Now you're going to want to install it. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to uninstall this first, just to show you guys how it would look like. And then you want to search Python here. So it's going to come like this. Now you click install. Now it's going to ask you to reload the window or something like that. So just click reload window. Right now, when you come into the extensions panel, you should see that there is the Python extension installed. Now, I will get into depth with VS Code in the future, but for now, you can explore around and we are done with this first tutorial. All right. We'll get into print statements, variables in the next video. For now, I'll catch you later. Thank you.